Hello and welcome to this video on how to Gucciify yourself. So stay tuned and I will tell you exactly how to do just that. So, step 1 of learning how to Gucciify yourself. Hit the like button. This is a very necessary step. Step 2 of how to Gucciify yourself. Subscribe to my videos. My channel. Yes, this is totally serious. Step 3 to how to Gucciify yourself. Hit the notification bell and learn about all upcoming videos. Yay! Now that you have the basics down and how to Gucciify yourself, let us first explain what this event is, because of course you need to know that before you can get the items. So, we have the Gucci Garden event page open right here, and we're gonna read through this entire thing. Roblox, Gucci Garden, May 17th through May 31st. Enter, we can wait on that. Archetypes, Gucci Garden. Virtual experience, Gucci Garden. Discover Gucci. Step into the world of luxury, fashion, and experience a one-of-a-kind interactive virtual exhibit inspired by Gucci Garden archetypes. An immersive multimedia experience that explores and celebrates Alessandro Michel's creative vision. Enter, we can also wait on that. Virtual experience, Gucci Garden. Reality meets imagination. Embark on a mesmerizing journey through a randomized series of rooms and watch as your avatar transforms before your eyes. Then strike a pose and show off your personal Gucci style with the world. Quick pause on the video right now. Make sure to like and subscribe. If you can't do this within 5 seconds, your mother will die. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you like and subscribe? Good. Exclusive merch available now. Gucciify yourself. We don't have to worry about that just yet. Virtual experience, Gucci Garden, May 17th through May 31st. Enter. Video, Gucci trailer, Gucci Garden. We can't watch this for legal reasons. Thank you for watching. You know everything you need to know about how to get the Gucci items because I totally discussed that in this video. Make sure to like, subscribe again, like the video again, tell your mother to like the video because she's totally still alive, your baby cousin, and the rest of your family. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.